Mansi, as you mentioned, lower inventory levels continue to impact the oil market, and that is the reason we are seeing 0.4 of an uptick as far as Brent crude prices are concerned. It is now trading above that $67 per barrel mark. Remember, for the last few days, Brent crude prices were in that $65, $60, $66 per barrel range, but it is now broken above that. Inventories are well above the seasonal average, and that is precisely the reason oil prices have broken above that $67 per barrel mark. U.S. crude stockpiles have shrunk, and this is the most that we have seen since mid-June. It's not just for crude oil. Natural gas supplies have also fallen. Nationwide holdings have fallen by nearly 6 million barrels last week. That's the latest data from EIA, and we should also have the data for gas, where gasoline stockpiles have declined for the 5th straight week. So that's the kind of fall that we've seen in inventory reduction, and that is the reason we are seeing that spike up come in as far as oil prices are concerned. Meanwhile, let's also talk about the yellow metal, and Mansi, as you were mentioning, we have not seen major moves as such. It is sitting with a cut of nearly 0.3%. In fact, this is the lowest level that we have seen in the last 3 weeks, to trade near that $3,340 per ounce mark. But all eyes will be on Jerome Powell's meeting and his speech later today. And Trump has also called out on federal governor to quit. So this is raising questions about independence of Federal Reserve. Perhaps safe haven could resume if at all this translates into something concrete. And as I mentioned, all eyes will be on Jerome Powell's speech at Jackson Hole Symposium later tonight. So yes, we are not seeing major moves in gold, but oil continues to trend higher to now trade above that $67 per barrel mark.